This is a true testimony, and its main share is against the drunk driver, Dallas criminal Carlos Jimenez Gonzalez. Here's what I have to go forward with wrongs. There's no time on the reporter's record. The index is not in alphabetical order. There, the appearances the lawyer lied. The name, number, and the ad. It never was. Is not honest about the real name and number, and withheld two addresses. The index is not in alphabetical order, and lied all the way through this hearing, September 25th. Line page 4, 11 to 25 are lies about representation, evidence, which I'm going to show you, and also about never sending. He never sent a motion or notice at all. That's an expired license, and you can't do that. So what I'm going to do is show you the reg and more evidence. And what is has to be addressed is, well, this is right, exposing. There's 27 criminals that I'm exposing, but I want to know all of them because this is wrong for me to have to do all that. Sightings to reporter's record, a brief, a way that's not right for me. This is very simple. A drunk driver almost killed me. There's 27 people that are guilty that did me wrong after that. Insurance company failed handling it right. Case of Colby, an agent, an adjuster that was racist, and all the progressive. And Thompson Law Firm, him and all their people never had permission to do anything wrong against me with my case, 211-396, and they did. And the evidence is has been out for 5 years, so I'm going to continue to show people and put it out there, the truth about the people that were wrong, exposing them, and that's it, being specific and more. Like, that really happened, okay? So the judgment made behind my back, someone committed a crime sending a letter saying there was a hearing November 4th, and it fooled me, and I thought I had a lawyer on my side. And the reason why Thompson's wrong is because he started the process of doing me wrong. So I want to know everyone. I want all their property, all their money. I want all of them sent to prison. That's the way it has to be. And that's the wreck right here. I was clean and sober going to the VA, and the the Dallas criminal Carlos Jimenez Gonzalez failed using turn signals and wrecked my vehicle, almost killed me. It's worse than it looks because I saw him with a beer bottle and I saw him with a cell phone, and he hit me and he knocked me lanes into oncoming traffic. That's a beer bottle. He tried to run and flee the scene, and we really caught him. He changed addresses physically because of that, so he has to be sent to prison. And I can show you the damages too. The main thing right now that is right. I have strong feelings, and I have to express them and expose everyone because there are people that were wrong. There's 27 of them, you know, on a list, but it's their names and addresses and their barcodes, numbers. But the facts are, I want to know all of them. Like, this had been going on for years, and they went behind my back. They sent a letter, and they deliberately made it so I wasn't at the hearing September 25th, right? And you could say I went, and they wouldn't let me in the hearing. But here's the 27 people that are guilty, right? And I want all their property, all their money, and I want all of them sent to prison forever. So this really happened, and I can show you more of the lies from the lawyer because he's a major part. Vincent, very bad guy, Nicholas Louis Vincent. And they're going to have to forgive me, even the judge, because the judge did not make a righteous judgment call to say that I wasn't there and there's no evidence. You just saw it, and I'm going to show it to you again. There's the wreck. You're looking at it. That's evidence. You can't show any more than that. Anyway, so these are the people, like I said, that are all guilty. And there's more because they sent a letter, like I said, that was deceptive. But I'm going to show you the lawyer's lies. Like, he really lied on a document in January 23rd. And this is it right here. And that's 2 to 3 years in prison, right? All these people need more time than that, really, right? But the problem now is really not being able to sleep. This is a document the lawyer lied because I sent in a brief that had a table of contents. So that's 14 lies, 2 to 3 years in prison times 14, right? And there's more that I can say, but the main thing is, of those 27 people, there's more, and that's impossible to live with, right? And it's another, anyone else would say that they want to sue the system because you're making it too hard. It's the main issue. A drunk driver almost killed me, and the insurance company and the lawyer Thompson and the MAS law firm and Minear Liber Matt Hoffman Delval, all of them are wrong. All their people. But who were the sneaky ones that lied the whole time and made me think they were for me, and they never were, and there wasn't return calls, there was no communication except lies on letters. And you're looking at them right here. Jasmine Solano, that was one of the first ones that further violated all my rights. Melissa Vieiro and Dan Nevaeh, that was an actual threat. I can explain it because it really happened, right? That's a real threat. But you're looking at all this as evidence and more because it's the case number and the lies. Like, there's going to be a trial, and there never was. They spoke to the courts, and they never did. And this is loss of wages and time and money. It's not a joke. So really, they're all guilty. There's some of them right there, and that's it. So I caught him, but this guy threatened me for real, Shahryar, and the way you spell their names is right there, Shahryar. So they're liars on your side.